Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to transfer everything from your old Samsung phone to a new Samsung phone. So in this case the phone on the left is the old phone and then the new phone is on the right. So the new phone is out of the box. It hasn't been set up at all. It hasn't gone through the initial setup stage at all. So you're going to set it up by tapping the start and then tapping the agree to all option to select all the options and then tap agree, and then you're going to be given these three options. Do you want to transfer from an a galaxy an old Galaxy or Android phone? Do you want to transfer from an iPad or iPhone, or do you want to set up the phone manually? So what I'm going to do is to tap the Galaxy or Android phone, and then you'll be given this QR code to scan. So we're going to use the old Samsung phone, unlock it, open the camera application, and then use the camera to scan the QR code on the new phone. So I'll go ahead and then open the camera application and then scan the QR code. While scanning it, you will see a pop-up link. Tap on that, and then that should open the next stage for you. So the next stage is to turn on the Bluetooth on the old phone. So tap continue to turn the Bluetooth on, to use it to connect to the. So once you turn it on, you will see a pop-up on the new phone to confirm the pin code of the old phone. So I'll type it and then tap continue or next, and then that should take you to the next stage of connecting to the Wi-Fi on the new phone. So connect to the same Wi-Fi the old phone is connected to continue. I did that, and then the setup is continuing. So you might get a message on the new phone that the phone needs to be restarted to set up some features and services for your service provider. If you get the message, tap the restart to restart the new phone. If you don't get it, you can proceed with wherever or from wherever you left off. So once the phone is restarted, I will type the. You can see that the pin code on the old phone has already been transferred to the new phone. So I typed it, and then the setup is continuing. Checking info, checking the account info. These are all information from the old phone. So at this stage, you'll be asked to copy the data from the old Android phone. So tap next, and then you will be given the transfer your data screen on the new Samsung phone. So the transfer uses the Samsung smart switch. So tap the agree, then tap allow to allow the permissions for the smart switch, and then you are given two options. You can transfer your data. You can do it through wireless, or you can also do it through the cable. Wireless uses the wireless network your phones are connected to, and then the cable uses the Type C USB cable. To make it fast, you need to select the USB cable or the Type C USB cable. The Type C looks like this. It's a Type C connection on both sides. So connect the cable to both phones, and then tap continue on the old phone. You want to tap the more option on this screen, and then tap allow to allow the permissions for the Samsung smart switch on the old phone as well. So once you do that, you will see that there will be a connection. The old phone will recognize the new phone. So tap connect for the old phone to connect to the new phone. And then on the screen of the new phone, you will see the searching for data to transfer. So it's actually searching on the old phone. So you'll be given three options. You can transfer everything from the old phone. You can transfer just calls, contacts, and messages from the old phone, or you can tap the custom to customize your selections of items to transfer from the old phone. But in this case, I'm transferring everything, so I'll tap everything and tap next. Uh, it encountered an issue in my case with WhatsApp, because WhatsApp on the old phone is not fully backed up. So it gives me a message that it will not be able to transfer the chats in the WhatsApp from the old phone. So in your case, if your WhatsApp is well updated or well backed up, you won't get this screen, or you won't get this message. So tap the next, and then you will see that the transfer will begin. And then on the new phone, you'll be given the option to set up your Google services or your Google accounts. Just tap the accept to set that up. This one, I'm going to skip it. I'll skip this also. And then on the Samsung accounts screen, I'll tap the forgot password, or don't have an account, tap that. And then I'll scroll up and then tap the skip to skip that whole process. I'll skip this one as well by tapping the skip option. And then on this screen, I'll tap the agree to finish up with the Samsung account settings. So tap next here and then tap the finish. So we are done setting up the new phone while the transfer is ongoing. So tap continue, tap on the home screen to see your home screen. And then you can see that on the old phone, the transfer is still in place. But when I tap on the gallery, you see there's no pictures transferred yet onto the new phone. So it means the transfer is not complete. So I will flip the screen down, or the notification down, and then tap on the transfer process at the notification area to view the status, or to view the progress of the transfer on the new phone, as we are looking at now. So give it some time for the transfer to be complete, and you will see this screen. On this old phone, you will see that you will see a message done with this phone. And then on the new phone, you will see data transfer results, showing you a result of all the things that have been transferred from the old phone to the new phone: the apps, the videos, the pictures, everything. So tap the done on both phones, and to verify that everything has been copied, just open the gallery. One of the ways you can test is to open the gallery to view the pictures, and then you can see that on the old phone as well, everything, all the pictures that are on the old phone are also on the new phone, including the apps, everything, contact settings, everything that was on the old phone have been successfully transferred to the new phone. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos, and to help us to grow this community together. Click the like button if this was helpful, share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you, bye.